You clicked this video because you saw the fork, right? Good. Because this isn't a diet video about restriction. It's about fuel. The kind of fuel that can wake up your muscles, your brain, and if you let it, change your life. I didn't set out to prove anything. I just lived this way, day after day, until the changes became impossible to ignore. And now, years later, the disease that once defined my life doesn't even look the same because there's no trace of it left. But what I've learned goes way beyond MS. Because when you fix the environment your cells live in, the food, the rhythm, the recovery, your body just doesn't just manage disease, it rewrites it. I didn't change my meds. I didn't find a miracle supplement. I just ate the same food in a smarter rhythm. And that rhythm completely changed my body and rewired my brain. If you've ever felt stuck, tired, foggy, or like your body's running on delay, this is the exact rhythm that woke mine up. It's not just about when and why you eat, it's also what you eat. Even foods marketed as healthy aren't automatically right for you. What matters is how your body responds, the signals it gives after you eat. Some foods, even so-called clean ones, can stall your recovery if they don't work with your biology. Real food isn't just about ingredients. No. It's about alignment with your individual metabolism and repair process. And once you find yours and embrace it, feeling your body often well above that outdated 2,000 calorie number, which is a myth, your body responds with strength, clarity, and resilience that feels like it's taking disease out of the equation altogether. By the end of this video, you'll know how to copy it. And maybe, just maybe, feel your own brain and body reconnect too. And while my disease is MS, yours might be something entirely different. Disease is strange. It doesn't play by one set of rules. MS happens to be multifactorial, but most conditions are in the long run. Recovery is rarely about one thing. It's a combination of factors working in sync.
In 2012, researchers Bosma Denboer, Van Wetten, and Prue and Boone published a paper that changed how we understand chronic disease. They found that most modern illnesses, from autoimmune to metabolic and cardiovascular, all stem from the same thing, a mismatch between how we live and what our biology expects. Processed foods, constant stress, and inactivity keep the immune system trapped in low-grade inflammation. It never shuts off, so the body never fully recovers. But when you fix those inputs, when you clean up your diet, move with purpose, sleep deeply, and lower stress, the immune system recalibrates. Healing isn't random, it's programmed into us. We just have to stop interrupting it.
For me, diet was one of the biggest pieces of that puzzle, but it works alongside exercise, sleep, sunlight, and mindset. The body needs all of them communicating together to heal. Whatever your version looks like, Diet almost always plays a part. Maybe not the only part, but one worth focusing on because the way we fuel ourselves changes how every system in the body performs.
So you're saying all it took was eating the same food differently? Because that sounds simple, but it's deeper than it looks. It's about creating trust between you and your body, teaching it what to expect so it can adapt and thrive.
Yep. For me, it allows my body to trust the fuel it's getting. You can't have a body that runs on unleaded and expect to suddenly switch to diesel. Your body needs consistency to know what to do with the fuel you give it. For me, same eggs, same chicken, same oatmeal. But I have a rhythm that takes it a step further and flips the script. High days and low days. One day is all about fueling growth, the next, triggering repair.
So, like interval training for your metabolism, it's more like a dance, really. A constant back and forth to find how much fuel your body truly needs. You might overshoot or undershoot at first. Steve has been up, down, and all around that curve.
Yeah. One season I gained fat, another I lost muscle. I made some changes and then the pendulum swung the other way. I gained more lean muscle and lost more fat. And now my body feels better than it has ever. My lean body mass is at an all-time high, and my body fat is the lowest it's ever been. I can't put into words how great this feels.
That's the beauty of metabolic experimentation. Once you find that sweet spot, the science can explain why it feels that way.
Exactly. You really have to be here to truly understand how much this means. How far the body can come when you give it exactly what it needs. I alternate between 3,363 calories and 2,774 calories throughout the week. On high days, 20% carbs, 47% fat, and 33% protein. On low days, 20% carbs, 41% fat, and 39% protein. It's like my body's bilingual now, fluent in both energy and efficiency. And you can be too. It's about discovering your own rhythm, finding that balance where your metabolism and mind speak the same language.
Translation, you've turned meal timing into a neurological language course.
I mean, you're not wrong. I can literally feel my hamstrings, quads, and calves firing in sync and are stronger than they ever were before. My gait feels smoother. My stride is more automatic. It's like my brain finally logged back into my body.
Let's unpack that. Because what you're describing isn't just fitness, it's conduction velocity. In the brain, when damaged axons regain myelin, electrical signals stop leaking. That's what turns think about walking into just walk. In MS, those damaged axons are often left bare and exposed, slowing or completely blocking nerve impulses. That's why walking, balance, sensation, or even thought processing can feel fragmented or delayed. It's not imaginary, it's broken communication. When myelin repairs, the system synchronizes again, messages travel fast and clean.
Exactly. It's not just muscle getting stronger. It's signal flow. Every lift, every stride feels more efficient, more alive. And I swear, Niacin is the silent hero here.
The great vasodilator returns.
Oh, don't act like you're not obsessed with it too. Niacin's my morning ignition switch. I take it, sometimes I flush, and boom, blood flow everywhere. You can feel oxygen hitting areas that used to feel deprived.
Because niacin activates microglia, the cleanup crew. They clear out myelin debris so oligodendrocyte precursor cells, or OPCs, can rebuild and repair myelin sheaths affected by MS. Niacinamide, its non-flush cousin, keeps NAD+ levels high, fueling the repair process.
So basically, niacin clears the construction site, and niacinamide pays the workers.
That's one way to say cellular synergy.
And here's what's crazy. I don't change a single food. Same breakfast. 3 whole eggs, half a cup of black beans, salad with grilled chicken, olive oil, and red wine vinegar. Same shakes too. Strawberries, blueberries, coconut butter, and whey protein. The only real difference is the portions. On low days, I cut my coconut butter in half and stick with a small bowl of oatmeal and pumpkin seeds. But on high days, I double the coconut butter and add extra oats with a few walnuts. Simple tweaks, but they completely changed how my body performs. Alternating high and low days made my metabolism dynamic.
That's because energy cycling mimics how your nervous system adapts: stress, recover, adapt, repeat. High days activate mTOR, growth and energy expansion. Low days trigger AMPK, efficiency and cleanup. You're literally toggling between build mode and repair mode.
So, I'm basically doing software updates for my nervous system.
Exactly, except your operating system is human, and it's finally debugging old code.
And the results? Wild. My abs showed up. My body fat dropped. But the bigger win, by far, my brain's connection to my legs feels laser sharp now. It's not just about balance and coordination. It's precision. It's like my neurology found high definition mode.
And that's the hallmark of remyelination, restored timing. When OPCs lay down new myelin, neural transmission speeds up. Your muscles contract with better rhythm, your coordination stabilizes, and fatigue fades.
And somewhere along that rhythm, my MS symptoms just stopped showing up. My body kept healing, and my brain finally believed it. And if that can happen to me, what could it mean for you? What might your own recovery look like if you gave your body the same chance?
So this is the reveal moment.
Yeah. Because when I say rewired my brain, I'm not speaking metaphorically. I'm talking about a nervous system that once struggled to connect signals and now feels seamless. Multiple sclerosis doesn't even cross my mind anymore. Literally.
And you didn't need exotic treatments or hacks. You used structure, discipline, and nutrients to retrain your biology. That's the kind of boring that changes lives.
Oh yeah, I'm a walking advertisement for boring. Same meals, same workouts, but every single detail, from niacin flush to my calorie wave, is deliberate.
Predictable inputs create unpredictable breakthroughs.
That should be on a t-shirt, really. Actually, scratch that. On a lab coat.
So let's summarize the blueprint for viewers.
All right, step 1. Keep your food clean and consistent. No sugar spikes, no caffeine, no chaos. Step 2. alternate your energy days, high and low. Step 3, niacin and niacinamide daily to clear and refuel the system. And biggest of all, step 4, exercise. Train like you're sending a message to your nervous system. Because you are.
And the message is simple. Repair is in progress.
Exactly.
So what's next?
Keep the rhythm going. Keep alternating. Keep giving your brain reasons to stay connected. Because once you feel that spark between your mind and muscle, you don't ever want to let it go.
And for everyone watching, that rhythm can be yours too. Same food. Different body, different brain.
And maybe even a better sense of humor.
You're welcome for that upgrade.
See you in the next time. And remember, don't underestimate what the basics can do when you do them brilliantly. We started this fight with MS, but what we're discovering now goes way beyond it. Because when you give your body what it truly needs, the food, the rhythm, the belief, it doesn't just adapt, it rebuilds. And the best part, I think, we're doing it together. See you in the next one.